How to fix could not find game you were looking for in Among Us. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Among Us and from the home screen tap on the globe icon at the bottom right. Make sure your server, example North America, Europe, Asia, matches the host region. A mismatched region is the most common cause of this error. Now go ahead and re-enter the code carefully. So tap on the play option and then tap on online and then on enter code. Go ahead and double check for typos. Codes are case sensitive and must be exactly 6 characters. You can also ask the host if the game already started. If the host began the game, you won't be able to join. You have to wait until they return to the lobby or ask for a new code. The next fix is go ahead and force quit Among Us. So swipe up on the home screen and force quit Among Us along with all the apps running in the background. This clears temporary bugs that may prevent you from joining. Also, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Among Us. Now, see if the app requires any update, and if yes, then update the app further, as outdated versions can block you from joining new lobbies. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data or briefly enable airplane mode and turn it off again, as sometimes the network issue might result in this error. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.